How do you feel about the NSX windshield getting smashed?
You deserved it.
Thanks. This sucks. Oh shit. I'm getting pulled over.
Really? Again?
Oh shit! Oh! Okay. So those are nose prints from Cassius on my windshield. I'm used to having those. What I'm not used to having is all this broken glass. So what happened is a drone crashed into my NSX, and it sucks. But I guess I'll be getting a new windshield. The problem is it also hit the hood, the carbon fiber hood, which I just had my friend Tony paint. He doesn't paint anymore, so I'm in search of a good body guy who can sand down the carbon where it cracked and re-resin that, and then sand that, and then clear it. And the actual paint, there's a couple scuffs that might actually buff out most of it. I think there was like one small spot that might have made it down a little farther than the clear, but I'm not sure yet. I'll have to wait until it's more light out to see it. But anyway, that's what happened, and I will be showing you guys the footage of the drone crashing into the NSX. Alright, so this is footage from a GoPro drone. My friend was flying it at the end of our camping trip. We were actually getting ready to pack up and leave here. And these GoPro drones actually have a bad reputation for just flying into stuff like it does right here. And it tumbles down, smashes into the car really hard, bounced off the hood, hit the windshield and hood, bounced off, destroyed the drone, cracked it, broke all the props, just completely demolished. I believe the camera got knocked off too, or broke the bracket. But it hit the hood. It's not really showing up too well in this lighting and this footage, but it had scratched all the way across the hood and cracked the glass and cracked the resin all the way down to the carbon on the hood, which I just had painted, which sucks. But yeah, new OEM windshield was hard to come by. I'll be posting a video of it being repaired. Alright, so yeah, that was hard to watch. I watched it in person. The drone smashed on the hood so hard, and the windshield, it bounced up like 3 feet in the air, and I think it might have even came down a second time, and kind of scuffed up along the side. The props were like spinning as it was going across. It was hard to watch. Anyway, accidents happen. I'm not a fan of that GoPro drone. I don't believe they have collision avoidance or obstacle avoidance or any of that stuff. Yeah, I mean, it sucks, but my friend who was operating the drone has agreed to cover the costs of the windshield and everything. I told him I'd go half with him on the glass because the glass, it wasn't a brand new windshield anyway. I did find an OEM windshield, and I did replace it already. And I actually made a DIY video on how to replace your windshield, so I'll be showing that. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate the support, and like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.